Technology is helping organize this important summit on technology. I'm glad to say that Digital India is no longer being seen as any regular government initiative. Digital India has become a way of life, particularly for the poor, marginalized, and for those in government. Our government has successfully created a market for digital and tech solutions, but it has made technology a key part of all schemes. Our governance model is technology first. Through technology, we have enhanced human dignity. Millions of farmers receive monetary support in one click. At the peak of the COVID-19 lockdown, it was technology that ensured that India's poor received proper and quick assistance. If India is successfully operating the world's largest healthcare scheme, Ayushman Bharat, it is due to a big role of technology. Our government has used the power of data analytics to ensure better service delivery and efficiency. When we are able to provide electricity to almost all households, technology has played a key role. Today, when we are able to cross toll booths faster, it is due to technology. Today, it is also technology which gives us the confidence that we will be able to vaccinate our large population in a short period of time. A great culture of hackathons has developed in India. I've attended some of them too. Our young minds come together and think of ways to solve key challenges our country and planet faces. Similar hackathons have been held in collaboration with Singapore and ASEAN nations. The government of India is providing support to our vibrant startup community, whose skill and success are now world famous. Challenges bring out the best in people. Perhaps it is relevant for many of India's techies. Our tech sector came into action and used tech solutions to keep work going on from home and from anywhere. The tech industry recognized a great innovation opportunity in bringing people together. The COVID-19 pandemic was a bend in the path, not the end. ये तो रास्ते का एक बैंड था, एंड नहीं. The amount of tech adoption that would not have happened in that decade happened in just a few months. Work from anywhere has become the norm and is going to stay. In the industrial era, change was linear. But in the information era, change is disruptive and big. In the industrial era, first mover advantage was everything. In the information era, first mover does not matter, the best mover does. Anyone can make a product anytime that disrupts all existing equations of the market. India, as a country, is uniquely positioned to leap ahead in the information era. We have the best minds as well as the biggest market. Our local tech solutions have the potential to go global. India is at a sweet spot. It is time for tech solutions that are designed in India but deployed for the world. Creating a framework is like teaching many people to fish and also enabling them with a fishing net and a lake of full fish. One such example of a framework level mindset was UPI. Conventional product level thinking would have meant we would come out with just a digital payment product. Instead, we provided India with UPI, an umbrella platform where everyone can host their digital payment products and plug in digital payments. This empowered many products. The Swamitva scheme. It is an ambitious scheme to give land titles to millions of people in our rural areas. This will also be achieved through technology like drones. This will not only bring an end to many disputes, but also empower people. Data protection as well as cyber security become very, very important. Our youth can play a big role in devising robust cyber security solutions. These solutions can effectively vaccinate digital products against cyber attacks and viruses. Today, our fintech industry is doing very well. Millions of people are doing transactions without any hesitation. This is because of people's trust, which is very important to be preserved and made stronger. India has a clear advantage when it comes to innovation. Because of the talent of our youth and their zeal to innovate. Friends, the potential of our youth and possibilities of technology are endless. It is time we give our best and leverage them. I am confident that our IT sector will keep making us proud